This is the best way to trade options on Thinkorswim. So executing options in as simple as one click is what Active Trader on Thinkorswim allows you to do. So instead of the traditional route where you have to go in, you have to send in your order, you have to cancel, you have to change your price, Thinkorswim's on-demand, or not on-demand, Active Trader feature allows you to execute options in as simple as a click to buy, simple as a click to sell. You can cancel orders in clicks, and it is the best way to execute options on the Thinkorswim platform. So that being said, let's break it down and let's go into how to actually execute options on Thinkorswim in the quickest way. The first thing that you want to do, and you may want to set up two charts. So let's say we want to set up two charts. You go up here in this corner, you click right here, and let's just select these two. Now, this one just comes up as CRM. You can type in any stock you want right here. You could do Apple, for example. Let's say we wanted Apple on here. And on this one, first thing you want to do and you want to note is this symbol right here actually links your stock to your watch list. So if we zoom out like this and we wanted our watch list to link to this chart, we link it by connecting this color 1 with this color. And now you can see anytime you click on something, you change that stock. Anytime you click on something on your watch list, it changes that particular stock. The first step that you want to do is go down here and click on this tab right here, and you're going to want to click watch list. Now, when you click watch list, it's going to populate here. You can change it. You can make it new. You can do whatever you want. You can do create watch list. You could delete everything in here. For the sake of this video, I am going to delete this part and just use the one I already have open. The next step that you want to do is go right here on this symbol link and link it to brown. It doesn't have to be brown. You can link it to any color. For this particular example, I'm just going to link it to brown so we can show you guys how to quickly execute options. Now that we have this linked, let's go in. And the first step that we want to do is let's hypothetically say we wanted to trade AMD. Or for an example, let's just do Apple. Okay, now we have Apple. You're going to go up here into this trade tab. And let's say we wanted to go into this expiration right here. The first thing that you are going to want to do is you're going to want to hit right click on this and you're going to hit copy. Now when you hit copy, you'll click in this box right over here and hit Control V and then enter. So now you'll see that option contract right here. Now we'll go back to our charts. Let's click on this option contract here and you'll notice this chart comes up. This chart is for that particular option contract. And the first thing that we want to do is click on Active Trader. Active Trader you'll see over here on the right hand side. Now, what's really nice with this is, let's break it down from the start. Active Trader is where we can buy and sell in a matter of clicks right over here. But let's break it down from up top. You could buy an option as simple as hitting buy and sell up here. So let's say we wanted to buy 2, and first off, if you hit the show buttons area, you can change your quantity here to whatever you want. Let's say we wanted to buy 10. When you click this auto send box and you have that checked, it will automatically send in an order for you right away without a confirmation screen. So if you have it unchecked, it's going to bring up this box. Are you sure you want to send it in? Then you would hit send. Notice if you do this and then all of a sudden you go to buy it, there it would buy that right there. So if we wanted to say buy at 0.44, we would click this right here and look at that. It filled us at 0.43. So we were able to purchase that contract just like that. And say you wanted to sell at 0.44, you'd go to this sell 10 limit right here. You would have your limit order in already. So it's extremely easy to buy and sell. Now let's say you wanted to cancel your order. All you can do is click X here, or let's say we have an order right here. Or you could go up here and hit cancel. And then you could hit cancel all. So it's easy to cancel your order. It's easy to buy. So that is if you want to buy at a limit price, whatever price you're in. Now you'll notice this one's highlighted right here with 2 arrows. That is the price you filled at. Now you may be wondering also, what's this shaded gray box? That is going to be the market price. So if you were to hit buy market, it would fill you at that 0.43. And let's do it for an example. If we wanted to buy 10 at the market, boom. We click that and it's going to send in that buy at market. It filled us at 0.42. You can see it came up in that top left. And now let's say we wanted to sell it really quickly. You'll notice we have net position up here of 20 contracts. Let's say we wanted to sell 20, click on your quantity, hit sell here, and you just executed a trade like that. It is way different than the traditional way on Thinkorswim where you have to go in, you have to change your order, and you have to execute that way. And in fact, let's go in and show you a traditional way of how to trade an option outside of that. So you have to click here, then this screen would come up, then you change your quantity here, then you change if you want a limit or market order, you change your price, have to hit confirm and send, and you don't know if it fills, then you'd have to go in and cancel. Versus if we're just doing it this way, and I want to buy 20 contracts, boom, I'm already in. Now I want to sell 20 contracts, boom, I'm out. So you just executed options in as simple as a few seconds versus 10, 15, 20 seconds, which does add up over time when you are scalping options, when you are day trading options. So using the Thinkorswim Active Trader component is the quickest way to execute options. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. We'd love to teach you guys more about the platform, more about strategies we use, etc. Feel free to check out our team on our website at simplified-investing.com today. Thank you guys.